Guys, you just saw a really cool crocodile. The tail!
I'm scared of you,
I'm scared of them.
Should I get a bangs?
Sharks, crocodiles, jellyfish. We just came back to the apartment, and so this morning we are off on a boat. I'll explain that to you very soon, but we just came out of the room and they changed the Christmas. They changed it back to how it was. The bear. What bear? Oh, this bear. Where do we put them up here? Okay. There you go. Let's see if they'll change that today. Oh, Jesus. So everyone, we have now stopped for tea and coffee. And it's raining, so...
Raining.
Yeah, not too
Tropical
fun.
rain.
Anyways, I got my coffee. What?
Where's my bottle?
And now we are going on a boat, eh?
On a river cruise.
On a river
To
cruise
spot crocodiles.
in a rainforest.
Across the river and then into the rainforest.
Exactly. That's where we're going, and it's quite cool over here actually. Guys, that's a crocodile. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's freaking huge, man. Where is it?
My camera cannot see.
Neither can mine. There.
It's gone down.
Turn down.
It's gone down.
That's so cool. Wow, look at the tail. Guys, you just saw a really cool crocodile. It looks like a rock, so you can't really see it, but we're on the boat now and it's actually really pretty.
There you can see its tail, look. Going down.
There it is.
And now it's standing towards us. Thank you, man. Oh, there he goes.
Oh yeah. We're lucky.
The face is in front, yeah?
Look how long it's got.
There.
So guys, the crocodile boating is ready and we saw 2 crocodiles. It was so cool, man. We actually saw 2 crocodiles and normally you don't see it much, so that was so cool. Radio everyone, so now we are in a forest trying to find a cassowary. It's like a bird, a 2-meter bird. Sorry guys, these are the cassowaries. They're blue with a horn in the top.
I'm showing my video.
And I'm going to talk to you in this accent because I'm Australian, as you may know already. I mean, I don't do it very well, but I actually love that accent. And I'll pop up some Snapchats now of me doing it.
You've been so phenomenally. Okay, so basically, I'm in my best of moods at the moment. Not the best of looks, but the best of moods. It's actually pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool, love. I mean, everyone's just awesome here. Everyone's just awesome. Hey, Filter, you're looking great on me today. Should I get a bangs? I have a little pom-pom to take away my bump on my hair. Look, I have a little waterfall fountain over there going on. Some potato business there. Alright, anyway, so it's so autumn missing the... Yeah, we met the crocs, guys, we met the crocs. It was actually pretty cool, huh? Also, I held a koala bear, which was really cool as well. And also, I fed a kangaroo. Also, it was amazing too. And also, a bird came onto my head.
That's to stop the soil from coming in.
Many basket ferns and elkhorn ferns and tassel ferns.
Well,
no, not of theirs, but just...
It's raining, but it's keeping us dry, this. Legend, you're such a freaking legend, you trees. So guys, we have now come to the place where we're going to be eating, and there are snakes like everywhere on the grass. It's so weird, let me show you. So guys, we are now gonna go feed the Wallabies and the joeys. Oh my god, let me just show you. This is so cute. He's in the pouch, guys. Get off.
On the other vehicle. There's gang here.
Get up, silly.
1, 2, 23. Yeah, that's about it. Snake.
Oh, why?
There you go. Yep.
He runs away. It's like a fall. Well, sorry, I can't do this.
Move slow.
No, this one.
Bend down, Nick.
You!
Head of you.
I can't. It's
What's the matter? Zen,
way
zen,
too
zen.
big, that one.
Zen, zen.
You're scared of
So
you,
guys,
Nick. That's
kangaroos
right.
are a lot
scared of
larger,
them.
you know, and they've got, kangaroos have got fur on them. These things have got
Don't
hair
bite
on
me.
them.
Don't wait.
Hey, Spotty Spot.
Hey guys, so we have had lunch now. We've fed the, what they called? Kangaroos and joeys and stuff. Wallabies. And now we are at a creek. 45-minute drive to come to a creek. Okay everyone, so we left that creek thing and now we're at a beach where there are sharks, crocodiles,
And jellyfish.
jellyfish. So we have to always stay 3 meters away from the water because if a shark or a crocodile comes, we are kind of dead.
Reef shark or something?
So yeah, doesn't seem like we managed to find any sharks, but no, yeah, quite a bit of a fail. Anyways, we got some nice chocolate, so that's good. And now I think we're going back to the apartment. Good? Come on. So guys, just stop for some ice cream.
Guys, when you're picking tea, pick by hand. Can you see 2 leaves and then you...
Okay guys, we just came back to the apartment and guess who's here? Little Teddy. Shall I put the prison? I don't know what I should do. I'm gonna put one of these prisons. Yeah. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do.